Hey everyone, Gabby here, and in this video we're going to cover Canvas's new quizzes. New quizzes is a way that we can create quizzes for our students that have other options beyond that from quizzes. New quizzes has things like ordering, matching, and hotspot. So we're going to show you what that looks like. I'm going to go into my UEN Sandbox course, and once I'm here, I can click on quizzes on the left-hand side. And once I'm here, I can click the blue button in the top right that says Add Quiz. Now it asks me to choose between classic quizzes or new quizzes. When I click on new quizzes, it says this has more question types like hotspot, categorization, matching, and ordering. It also has more moderation and accommodation features. Now I'm going to click submit, and it's going to take me through the build process of creating this quiz. So I'm just going to call it quiz 4, and it's 20 points. I can display grade as points, submission type, submissions. Let's do limited to 3, assigned to everyone, and hit save. Now, once I hit save, it takes me to the quiz where I can start to add questions. I can add instructions here if I choose to, and then once I click the blue button, it prompts me with what kind of question I want to ask my students. So if I want to do a file upload where I would want them to maybe take a picture or upload something from their device, then I would ask them a file upload question. If I want them to submit a formula, I could do a formula. If I want them to do matching, I can do matching. Now, I do want to show you this one. So if I wanted to give them a question for vocabulary words, I can add a question stem, and then I could ask a question and an answer, or words and definition, English, Spanish, something like that. So I could do red and rojo. I could do yellow, and I can do amarillo, and so on. And then I'm just going to do those two. You can add distractors if you'd like, and then under options, you can show an on-screen calculator or shuffle questions. Then I can go ahead and click done. It shows up in my quiz, and then I can click plus again and do another question. When I do a hotspot, it's going to ask you for a title. So I'm going to do cell labeling, and I can ask the students to label the cell, or I can ask the students, I can say click on the nucleus of the plant cell, and I can drag and drop that item here. So I've got a picture of a plant cell here, and I want them to use this image to tell me where the nucleus is. Now you'll notice on my screen, here's my mouse. Once I'm in the picture, I get the compass, and I can highlight the space of what I want them to click on. That's considered the nucleus. Then if that is all of the space and options where they may click to say that that's the nucleus, then I'm good to go. Then I can click done, and it allows the students to click right here and then identify to me if they were correct or not. Now I can click add again. I can do multiple answer. So this one would be where there's more than one correct answer choice. So they've got the check boxes instead of just the circles where they can select only one. And then the last one I want to mention is the ordering. So with ordering, it asks you for, maybe events on a timeline. And then I can give them some instructions here. Place the events from the Olympics in order. And then I can type, javelin throw, wrestling. I can do track and field, and then basketball. And then the students will have to order those in the correct way. So they would click hold and drag these into the right spots. All right, so those are just a couple of the new options within new quizzes that you can use. You can see that with these advanced types of questions, you can increase the DOK with your students, and you can ask questions to your students where they can upload files and truly get down to show what they know about the content based on the types of questions that we ask them. And new quizzes really allows for you to get deeper with the questions that we ask.